sa aking channel. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most difficult and confusing part in English grammar. This is the use of expressions as well as, together with, including with, at iba pa na nagpapagulo sa subject-verb agreement. But before that, if you are new in this channel, syempre, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video. At syempre, share na rin para mas marami pang matuto. Now, I've said last time, oh by the way, shoutout nga pala sa aking editor, the creator of The Green Time, at syempre sa aking pong videographer, the creator of Feed the Mind TV. Now, I said last time that before we are going to proceed to our next topic, we are going to have the checking of your answer with our quiz last time. Now, in the first sentence, my sister wants to reduce weight in, on, at 1 month. Now, nabanggit dito, 1 month. Pero hindi sinabi kung anong eksaktong pizza sa buwan na yon. So, our answer here should be in. Kung binanggit ang eksaktong pizza, ay magiging on ang ating answer. But since 1 lang, in ang ating answer. Now, number 2. I want you to give me another pants in, on, at a smaller size. Now, here, smaller size was mentioned. Hindi naman sinabi kung anong eksaktong sukat. A smaller size, so our answer should be in. Number 3, my friend has no interest in, on, at physics. Now, physics is still a general word. So, hindi naman sinabi kung anong topic sa physics. So, our answer should be in. Okay, number 4, everybody should be here in, on, at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Now, nabanggit, eksaktong oras, specific time. So, our answer should be at. Dahil eksaktong oras ang nabanggit. Next, number 5, we will have another quiz in, on, at June 3, 2020. Now, this is an exact date. Dahil exact date ang nabanggit, we are going to use on. Alright. Alright, our topic today is one of the most confusing parts in subject-verb agreement. This is the use of expressions together with, as long as, accompanied with, at iba pa na nagpapagulo sa subject-verb agreement. And this is how we are going to discuss it. Like this one. My friend together with his wife wants to visit us tomorrow. Now, according to our rule, expressions like as well as, along with, together with, coupled with, accompanied with, at iba pa, they do not act as conjunction and in a sentence. Hindi raw sila nagpa-function na conjunction, na and. So, kung ano yung subject, hindi ito nakaka-apekto sa subject. Pag singular ang subject, singular pa rin siya. Like this example. My friend, together with his wife, wants to visit us tomorrow. If we are going to analyze this carefully, our subject is my friend, which is singular. The problem is, there is a following expression, together with his wife. Kasama ang kanyang asawa. Now, this is the part in English grammar which defies logic and reality. Reality kasi ang subject natin ito, my friend, kasama ang kanyang asawa. So, if we are going to use reality, dalawa sila. My friend, kasama ang kanyang asawa. But according to the rule in grammar, this expression, together with, they do not act as conjunction na, hindi siya nagpa-function na conjunction na and. Hindi siya pumapapit na ganito. Kaya, ang ating verb ay dapat singular once. Kasi ito, my friend, ay singular. Although, pag in-apply natin ang logic, my friend, kasama nga yung kanyang asawa eh. Di ba dapat dalawa? Kaya lang, sabi sa rule, this expression does not function as conjunction na an. Hindi siya nagpa-function na an. So, ito lang ang subject natin, and our verb should be once. Now, this is a conflict between grammar rules and logic or reality, like this one. Next, Greg. Now, by the way, para masimplify ito, tatanggalin natin ito together with his wife at papalitan natin ang an. Pag napalitan natin ang an yan, my friend, and, ito na. My friend and his wife, ayan, ito na, ito pala. My friend and his wife, dalawa na, plural. So, pwede na tayong gumamit ng one. Pero kung ito pa rin ang gamit, my friend together with his wife, ang subject natin ay singular pa rin. Ito. Okay. So, ang ating answer ay once. Pero, kapag itong together with, pinalitan mo ng and, so magiging plural na siya. Ang magiging answer natin ay one. Okay. Next. Greg as well as his classmates decides to join us in our party next week. Now, our original subject is Greg. Kaya lang, sinundan ito ng expression na as well as his classmates. Ang tawag dito ay intervening phrase. Siya yung nag-i-intervene doon sa ating sentence. So, ang sabi sa rule, this expression as well as does not function as an. Hindi siya nagpa-function na an. Hindi siya coordinating conjunction. So, dahil hindi siya nagpa-function na an, ang ating subject ay ito lang, si Greg. Hindi nakasama ito. But, if you are going to apply logic or reality, Greg as well as his classmates, si Greg, pati na yung kanyang mga kaklase, marami na, di ba? Plural siya. But, according to our rule, this expression as well as does not function as coordinating conjunction and. Hindi siya nagpa-function na and. So, we cannot say that this whole phrase is plural. Only Greg is our subject, so it is singular, so our answer is decides. Now, kung gagawin natin plural, ang as well as ay papalitan natin ng an. Greg and his classmates, ito na, magiging plural na ating verb, magiging decide na. Kapag ganito Greg and his classmates, ayan na, magiging ito na ang answer natin. Decide to join us in our party next week. Okay, next example. Now, in our next example, the president, accompanied with all the cabinet secretaries, arrives today. Now, our subject here is the president. This is singular, wala siyang S. But our intervening phrase is accompanied with all the cabinet secretaries. Accompanied with all the cabinet secretaries. And then secretaries ay may S. So this is plural. And then arrives today. Now, if we are going to follow reality, ang sabi rito, the president kasama na o sinamahan ng lahat ng cabinet secretaries. So, ilan na yon? Marami na. President, kasama na yung lahat ng cabinet secretaries, kasi plural. So, marami siya. Arrives today. Now, our answer should be arrives. Because according to the rule, ito raw, itong phrase na ito, accompanied with, ay hindi nakaka-affect sa ating subject. At hindi siya, ito, accompanied with, ay hindi siya nagfa-function na and. It does not function as conjunction and in this sentence. Now, since this phrase does not function as and, then the subject is only this one, the president. Hindi siya pwedeng isama sa subject kasi hindi siya nagpa-function na and. Now, and because this phrase accompanied with does not function as and, so our answer should be arrives. This is, the president is singular, so our verb should also singular. Now, to simplify the sentence and avoid confusion, instead of using accompanied with, ito ay papalitan lang natin ito ng and. The president and all the cabinet secretaries arrived today. Ang answer natin ay magiging ito na. The president and all the cabinet secretaries arrived today. Ito na. Plural na siya. Kasi gumamit tayo ng conjunction na and. Pero kung ito lang, accompanied with, hindi pwede. Kasi itong rule na ito, yung sinasabi ko kanina, that this rule defies logic and reality. Kumukontrol sa reality. Okay. Now, next example. The lion, along with the tigers, escapes the zoo. Now, our original subject is lion. Kaya lang, meron siyang kasunod na expression, along with the tigers. Now, this expression, along with the tigers, ito ang nagpapagulo. Kaya lang, pag isari natin sa Tagalog, ang lion, kasama na yung mga tigers. O, ilan na yon? Di marami na. Ay, yung tigers ay plural pa. So, we can assume that the subject is plural. But according to the rule, this expression, along with, does not function as conjunction and. Hindi siya nagpa-function na and. So, we cannot deduce that this is, the subject is plural. Because of that rule. So, we need to follow this rule. So, ang ating verb should agree with the subject, which is singular. So, our verb should be singular escapes. And again, to avoid confusion, we can remove this one, this phrase, along with, palitan natin ang and, the lion, and the tigers. Plural na siya. So, pwede na ito ang maging answer. Escape. Alright, before we close our session today, we are going to have a short quiz. And after, we are going to check this on our next meeting tomorrow. Alright. Number 1, Lisa, along with Nena, runs outside. Number 2, the principal, together with all the faculty members, have called an emergency meeting today. Number 3, Ben, accompanied by his friends, are planning to be absent tomorrow. Number 4, the mayor as well as barangay captains are out of town today. And number 5, Fred, together with his wife, rejects our proposal. Okay, rejects our proposal. Now, please be ready with our checking in our next meeting. Now, if you have learned something in this video today, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video. And of course, share na rin para mas marami pang matuto. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.